Hello everyone, this is Neelima. Welcome to my channel. Today let's see how almond or badam halwa can be prepared very easily at home. Minimal ingredients are required to do this. Let's get to cooking now. To start with, here I have taken a cup of almonds which is equal to 100 grams. We have to soak these almonds for 3 hours at room temperature water. Here I have done the same, or if we don't have time we can soak them for half an hour in hot water, then peel them. It's very easy to peel as the skin becomes very soft. Then transfer this bowl of peeled almonds to the mixer jar. Use 1 cup milk which is at room temperature. Use the same cup with which we measured almonds. Grind it little coarse. You should be able to find little suji like structure here and there. Then take a cup, add 2 tablespoons warm milk, add 10 to 12 strands of saffron to get nice flavor and color to the sweet. Then take a pan, add 2 tablespoons desi ghee or clarified butter, let it melt. Add the ground paste to this mixture. We have to use medium flame throughout cooking. Now keep on mixing. It takes 1.5 minutes or 2 minutes for the ghee to get absorbed into this paste. This is after 2 minutes. Now add 1 cup of sugar. Use the same cup with which we measured almonds. 1 cup sugar, 1 cup almonds, 1 cup milk is the ratio. It's very easy to remember. Once the sugar melts, it looks like this. It keeps spluttering after some time. We have to be careful with our hands. At this stage, after sugar melts, add the saffron milk to the mixture and keep on mixing. We have to keep on doing it throughout cooking. Otherwise, the bottom part may get burnt. This is after 9 or 10 minutes. See, it's slowly getting solidified. This is after 15 minutes. It comes very close. Keep on scraping the edges. Add half spoon of cardamom powder and mix once. Give it a good mix. And when it comes very close like this, when it starts becoming a dough, then put off the stove, transfer it into a serving bowl. This almond halwa tastes very good when it is hot rather than when it is cold. So if we want to have it, we can microwave for 10 to 15 seconds before eating and can have it. This can be stored for up to a week or even up to 10 days in refrigerator. Hope you find this recipe useful. If you like it, please give a big thumbs up, share it, and please do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.